Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the it's time to close Instagram problem easily on your phone. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First of all, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps option, then tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, back second locks allow, camera allow, contacts allow, another location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, back. And go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram and now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app updated available showing, and tap on update option and waiting a few minutes, and now complete your update and again open your Instagram app. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please like, comment, share now.